When choosing a cannabis product, people often ask, indica or sativa? But according to the science, looking at the cannabinoid and terpene profile makes more sense. The first point to consider is, what's your primary goal? Relief from symptoms and medical conditions? Relaxation? That perfect high? Once you know that, you can search for products that include the relevant compounds for the effects you're after. Tolerance is the next point to consider. If you're just starting out or have a particularly low tolerance, or you just prefer not to get high, you can look for strains that are low in THC and high in CBD, also known as type 3 cannabis. If you're looking for a particularly intense high, or lower THC varieties aren't effective for you, you might be better off with a type 1 strain. Naturally, a type 2 strain would be best if you're looking for something in the middle. Next up, what type of high are you looking for? Weed can affect you in different ways, and scientists are just starting to understand which terpenes are responsible for its varied effects. For example, limonene, pinene, and terpinolene are often thought to be energizing daytime terpenes, while some researchers believe myrcene, beta-caryophyllene, and linalool are more sedative terpenes. And what about aromas? Basically, if a cannabis product smells good to you, there's a good chance you're going to enjoy the flavor and the experience. When it comes to easing specific symptoms, there's a small but growing body of preliminary research that can give us some clues. For example, both THC and myrcene are muscle relaxants. Limonene and beta-caryophyllene show potential for colitis, and linalool and pinene may help treat anxiety. Keep in mind that your metabolism, genetics, age, gender, and even your mood also play a role in how the weed will affect you. After you've gone through these 5 considerations, it's time for some trial and error. It's not a perfect system, but it's the best we've got for now. And the good news is, you might even enjoy it.